started doing some of the infrastructure work just before Christmas. We announced it back in November. We had a presentation night with the depot to tell them what was going on. It was just phenomenal for the Stockton area. They've always sort of lived in the shadow of Newcastle, and things always seemed to them to have been done up in Newcastle, up in Sunderland, and to have a project of this scale in Stockton is just unbelievable. And it's testament to the guys and girls that are helping deliver Stockton's services. In terms of the Yutong vehicles, we've been running 20 of them now up in Sunderland for the last 3 months, and they've been really good, really well received by the drivers. We've had a couple out in the Stockton area over the last few weeks. We're using a mobile charger to charge them up. Drivers love them. They're really nice to drive, really smooth. Obviously a lot quieter than diesel vehicles, and they're really well received.
Working with Stagecoach in Stockton is really important in terms of the wider community, connecting people to work, to jobs, to family, to friends, to communities, but also the social value aspect of not only cleaner air and a cleaner environment, but a cleaner Stockton. And that's why it's so important today. The depot will have added features once it's built. A community hub to serve the local residents of Stockton, which include a training facility for apprentices and also education facilities, as well as the local university. But most importantly, we want to build a skills network and a hub inside the depot to train the next generation of engineers or people that want to get involved in the transport industry. We plan as a business to roll out this depot and this feature across all the wider organisation. Now, first things first, we need to make sure we engage with the local communities, engage with the councils, engage with the local job market, and then secondly, also secure the power and the facilities to enable a fully operational depot, but most importantly, be able to serve our communities as well. It's a step-by-step process. So the first one, and sometimes they say the hardest step is the first one, will be in Stockton, and we intend to roll this out across the coming years.
I'm delighted to be here with the Stagecoach launch of their full electric Yutong bus fleet at Stockton. It's a state-of-the-art facility that they're creating, which will see 64 electric Yutong vehicles in operation by the end of this year. It's a real game changer because they're looking at involvement with the community, with other operators to actually charge the vehicles and actually upskill all their staff to take the full benefits of zero-emission vehicles. They've also worked highly with the community, so the bus is actually named by local residents, so it's a real inclusive way of getting people onto a new mode of transport.